Alright, welcome to another box break. This is Doug from the Pack Gambler. What we're opening today is a 2010-2011 Luxury Suite Panini Hockey Hobby Box. This has 3 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. The key to this is there's 8 autographs or memorabilia cards per box. So there's a lot of hits. Let's see what we get. So again, this is there's only 4 packs. So open the 2 on the right first. Here we go. Here's the first pack. Again, we're supposed to get 8 autographs or memorabilia cards per box. Of course, there's additional hits and whatnot. All right, our first card. It's a Matt Calvert rookie Luxury Suite for Columbus. It's numbered out of 899. Our first hit of the box is a Corey Perry single swatch jersey. That is numbered out of 599. Our second hit, which is a nice one, is a Thomas Mechanics dual. We have a prime jersey on the bottom and just a single swatch jersey piece at the top. Very nice. This one is numbered out of 150. Thomas Mechanics. That's our first pack. Our second pack. Okay, our first card. This is a Yevgeny Gravchuk rookie, the Rangers. This is numbered out of 899. Okay, our second card, which is our third hit, is a Thomas Mechanics single swatch jersey. So very similar to the first one, single swatch, numbered out of 599. Okay, so that's our third hit. Our fourth hit is it's a pretty cool one. So this one is a Brad Park on-card autograph. This is Rangers uniform, and this one's numbered out of 199. 199 on-card Brad Park autograph. It's pretty cool. That's our fourth hit. So 4 hits, and we have another 4 to go. Here is our next pack. This one seems pretty thick. Okay, our first card is a Mark Fane, sorry, rookie. It's numbered out of 899. Our next card is Andrew Desjardins, rookie. This is numbered out of 899 as well. Okay, our fifth hit is a dual jersey of Sanko Koivu and Bobby Ryan. Dual jersey for the Ducks. That's numbered out of 599. And our next hit, that's a cool one again, is a Braden Irwin on-card rookie autograph. And this one is numbered out of 499. It's pretty high for a non-card, but not too bad. Rookie. Okay, so we're down to our last two hits. Last pack. There we go. Our first card is a Jan Murzak rookie, numbered out of 899 for the Red Wings. Okay, our next hit is a Rick Nash Columbus jersey, single swatch, and that's at a 599. Okay, our next hit is a Nick Palmarini rookie on-card autograph, and that is numbered out of 499. So again, another high numbered on-card rookie autograph, 499. And we have an extra hit. And our extra hit is, for the Canucks, Ryan Kessler, Mason Raymond, dual jersey swatch. And it's numbered out of 599. Magic number. Okay, so let me just review the hits that we had. So our first major hit, or actually probably the best hit in the box, was the Thomas Plekanec dual jersey with the prime jersey there. That was numbered at a 150. We had a Corey Perry single swatch. And we had a Brad Park on-card autograph. That was numbered out of 199. We had another Thomas Plekanec single swatch. And we had a Braden Irwin autograph rookie on-card. That was numbered out of 499. Dual swatch, Bobby Ryan, Saku Koivu, numbered out of 599. And we had Nick Palmarini, autographed on card, rookie, out of 499. We had a Rick Nash single jersey, numbered out of 599. And our bonus hit was, or extra hit I guess, Ryan Kessler and Mason Raymond single or dual jersey swatch. And that was numbered at $5.99. Okay, thanks for watching another Pack Gambler box break. Remember to follow us on Twitter at Pack Gambler, and also check out our website at www.packgambler.com. We have a blog on Blogspot under the Pack Gambler, and also we have opened a auction username on eBay, and to find us there it's just the Pack Gambler. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again.